Sit right here. Turn around that way so Daddy can get you. Are you moving to bed? Here, turn around. Okay, put this head. There we go.
In the nose.
Yeah. Isn't he sweet? So you got a brother now. Another one, huh? David, where's your baby? Where's our baby? Oh, that's sweet. He's looking at you. David, you want to hold the baby? You want to turn? Okay, David, turn.
Quick, off your
hold the bed still. Look here. Look here, David. Look here. Here we go. He really just grabs hold. Look, kiss the baby. Oh, what a good kid. His hat, yeah, his head. Where's his toes hiding? Where's his toes hiding, David? All those French fry kisses. Oh, my goodness. What's that? Yeah. Yeah. Oh, boy. Oh, well, yeah.
Enough's enough, Mom.
Stop it, David.
Let's play with the bed, right? All right, leave it down there. I remember that. I can't believe it.
That's how it goes.
Well, now we have little trick-or-treat buckets.
They say when you get out?